In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to order checks on your Chase mobile application. So first, you need to access your Chase application and make sure to access your account by entering your correct credentials. And after that, under the accounts tab, you will see your bank accounts, and under the total checking, you will see the three dots, which is once you click on that one, you will see this page, which is you just have to click order checks and deposit slips. Once you click on that one, you will see under the total checking, which is the check. And once you click on that one, you will see this page, which is check is already presented on your screen, and you'll be able to input the informations that will actually pasted on your check. And then if you already input some informations, just click confirm index. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.